Hey guys, Dan here from Decolo 3D Prints. Gonna jump right in with an install video for the Klein ModBox worktop mounts. There's a few ways to go about doing this, but I'll go over what I would recommend. Per usual, here's an inspection of one of the 2 or 4 brackets, depending on the order request. If you're using this on a half-size box, you'll just have to do half the work. Go ahead and insert the cleats into the respective box you plan on installing this atop of. If you're doing this off the box, you'll be measuring from the rear of the front cleat to the start of the rear cleat at 6¼ inches. Then from the left side to the right side, the distance will be apart 5�3/8 inches. Once we have those in place, we can inspect what I would call the lockdown bracket. This is similar to my ModBox to pack out adapter bracket, however has no holes this time around. We're going to put it in the slot and either throw on some double-sided tape if you did not want to drill through your worktop, or we're going to line it up and drill into it with some screws. For now, since this is all to prepare for the worktop and test fit, we're going to take some adhesive, in this case some wood glue, and apply a nice coat of it atop the original slide-in cleats. Once the glue or adhesive of your choice is on, we can take the worktop and carefully lay it atop the box. We have one shot to get this right, unless of course you're cutting it after installation, so make sure once you set it on, you don't move it. Now that the glue is dried and cured, we can carefully pull forward and lift the worktop to add some mechanical fasteners. Something to keep in mind, most glues do not adhere well to PETG plastic, so you could outline the brackets just in case with a Sharpie or a marker. I used 1-inch screws to hold the brackets to my worktop, but your optimal screw length might differ depending on your worktop choice. I also only did 2 screws per bracket, but there is 3 there, just in case you want it extra tight. Now that the cleats are screwed in, we can reattach and prepare for the drilling of the lockdown brackets. Make sure the worktop is fully seated, and then we can go ahead and line up some pilot holes with a small chamfer. Keep in mind the width of your worktop though. We do not want to go too far and accidentally drill into the ModBox top. Congratulations, your new worktop is complete. To remove, just loosen these 2 screws and pull forward. You're good to go. I know this video is a little bit longer than usual, but thank you for sticking with it till the end. I hope this install video was useful for you, and as always, for anything else, other cool tool ideas, or just generic input, feel free to comment below, like, subscribe, and keep on bringing your ideas to life.